Hello guys, welcome back to the Latin Insider. So guys, remember the best way that you can support me is subscribing, giving like, and leaving your comment. So saying that, so today we're gonna work in how to hack Windows 7. Remember guys, that's an education video. Let's go to Windows 7 and show you what. So remember as well that it's a continuation from the last video. So like that, just we gonna search here the IP address a little quickly. Mhm. Okay, we have the IP address. So let's go back to Kelly. We open the terminal. So I may open two terminal to explain why I use uh so it that the way that you can use MFA console you can do just MFA console this way. I don't like to use it that way personally. I use it with a database, which I use. You have to be sudo to be able to use it with a database, which is gonna be MA and DV. Just you type run and press enter. Uh, I personally use it that way. I don't like this way too much because here on the right side, I'm running with a database. And here is different. So, but it's up to you at the end of the thing. Um, let's search. Let's do it quickly. Let's search internal blue. Let's use the one we found last time, which is a window, which is the first one. Let's use the first one we just use with Zeta and running. So options. Let's see, option. Okay. Let's do it quickly. We can set our host and I tie the IP address from the Windows 7, which is 160. Just enter and run. Here. So I remember I end last video was there. I ended. So I said I'm gonna explain. I'm gonna show you how you can go beyond that step. So for example, just you can say type help. Time help. You're gonna be able. That's gonna display all the different commands that you can do to try to exploit Windows 7. So we can see here. You can say if config, IP config, nestar, and many other things. You can use ca, cd, del, also the different command that you can use, even though that's in Windows system that we are right now. The sample, let me show you, let me go to Windows 7, like that you can see, we have like, that screen. So we're gonna, do a screenshot. Let's do a screenshot to, let's do a screenshot. This way we're gonna, screenshot. So there's a screenshot where we're gonna go to open another terminal. So let me make make that bigger. Small again. Small. Okay, small. Like that we can see here. Let me expand it here. Okay. So here, now you'll see that was the screenshot that we took already. So we're gonna just put open, copy, uh, copy and paste. Uh, that like you see that was a screenshot from Windows 7. So if we go Windows 7, you will see that the same thing is in the screen right now. So about the Kelly. So let's close down, minimize. So for example, we can make it bigger again. So for example, we can use there, which is you can use that in window terminal, and as well, where we at? We that's what we are. So we can use EL or LS as well, which is from 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 the Kelly. So what we can do for see where we are, PWD. So now we're gonna move from that area. So we're gonna go to CD plan. I'm gonna Del to see where we are. Okay, we are here. Uh so here we have different parts that we can go. So let's go to user to see where the user has. So we go user to the user. We can see LS up there. It doesn't matter. So we have remember the username in that case is the Latin cyber. So let's go to CD Latin cyber. Sorry, that's that is one name. Latin cyber. No, yes. So we can there this time. Let me there. So here we have a app and data, aplicación, contact, cookies. Cookies important. That part is important. So, but it's a Windows 7 if you, in case that you exploit, advanced window like Windows 10, Windows 11. But the cookie is important because from here you can see what website he been using. Desktop documentation. Here we can see download information, documents. So even link, local, music, my document, everything. Every here that's the personal. What we said, personal data from the user. So let's go CD desktop. So let's see what he has in there. So far he doesn't have anything. Let's go to Windows 10, Windows 7. Let's create like a file. Uh, so let's do and create a file like new or forwarding whatever. Let's just a forwarding. Haha. So quickly. So now when I go back to window to Kelly, let's just um dirt. So here you see we can see that we have we see the forwarding. So let's add something into the forwarding. And let's go back to Windows 7. Uh, okay, okay, okay. Never mind. Let's just get back to Kelly to make it quick. So, um, let's create a file that we say we can echo. Uh, so file test one. Hello, my people. File set. 3. Hello, my people. We to that we copy here. So copy. We're gonna go here. We're gonna load the file. Paste it. Paste the selections. Okay. And what was the name of the file? File 3. I delete DS. So now we're gonna go back to Windows 7. Like you can see, guys, file 3. Now let me see open. If you see, we can see the informations. You see, hello, my people. If you will go back to Windows 7, you see here, hello, my people. So we can share a screen as well. Screen, screen share, right? Okay. Okay, I missed put too much S. Now yes. So now we can see here, right? Where we at. Let's go to the Windows 7. If we go to the terminal and then we go back to Kelly, you see? Uh Sample. I'm moving so the terminal, I'm moving the file now there.